Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and do let me know down below how your day is going. I would love to hear. And if you're new, please consider hitting subscribe. We're getting pretty close to 2,000 subscribers, which is awesome. I still can't believe that. And once we do, we're going to have a really cool giveaway. So you definitely want to stick around for that. And if you enjoy unboxings, this channel is absolutely for you. So definitely do please hit that subscribe button. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and leave a comment down below, like I said, letting me know how your day is and what you think of the video. I love hearing from you guys. As you could see from the description, we have make sure I don't show you my address, a ColourPop haul. And this bad boy is like busting at the seams. So we're going to open this up and take a look. I mean, obviously I know it's in here. I ordered it, but I'm ready to actually see the items in person. They were having a really good sale. So that was a lot of why I got what I got. And the one thing I love about ColourPop, obviously, is not only is it an affordable brand, but it also, the quality of the products is amazing. And when you order something from them, their shipping is really, really fast. So, but let's dive in, and the box is cute on the inside. All right, that's just a packing slip. So this is the box inside. They love they pack everything in bubble wrap. I love how they take care of their items, but we'll just start. The first thing I ordered, I'm like addicted to these now, are one of their Super Shock shadows, and this was in the color Bubbly. Again, I just think their packaging is cute. So again, this is outside of the box. It's just a pretty pink shimmer, and I thought with spring coming up and summer that it would be really pretty, y'all. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love it already. All right. I just love the way these shimmer shadows feel. Look at that. Or Super Shock shadows feel. Sorry about that, y'all. But yes, I just love the way these formulas feel, and they are just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, that shine. Y'all, are you kidding me right now? Oh, I am just loving that. That is super pretty. So yes, I should have brought a makeup wipe with in here, but I didn't think about it. And I literally just like rubbed what was left on my finger in the palm of my hand. Y'all, do you see that? Okay. So, I'm like covered in glitter. I love it. I think that's just making everything sparklier, but it's okay. So the next item I ordered, I am in love with these as well, is one of their Luxe lipsticks. I love the formula of these. They last, they're gorgeous, they feel great. And I really do, I mean, I like right now I have on one of the Stila Stay All Day, liquid lipsticks, and I do love liquid lipsticks, and usually, especially the ones that dry down like this one that don't feel over drying, but I do really like just regular bullet cream lipsticks. So, and this, again, just this formula. I'm so sorry, y'all, something's going on with my camera. But anyway, so let's open this up. I can show you guys, and I got the color Dream Easy. I love the packaging with the stars. Now this color I just thought was fun. It looked pretty. I do love that they have the stars on the actual lipstick, but this is like a pinky red, and I just thought it was gorgeous. So you can still see the shimmer on my hand here. But yes, we'll do a little swatch here of this guy. It's so creamy. So yeah, it's like a pinky red, which I think is gorgeous. So I'm very happy for this. Put it there. And then I ordered 2 palettes. Now, one I absolutely loved and thought it just looked so gorgeous. And I was like, yes, I need to pick this up. I have green eyes. Purple is a color I really love to reach for. I have their It's My Pleasure palette, the purple palette, but green also looks really good on green eyes. So I picked up the Just My Luck palette. So, ooh, I can't wait to get in here and see it. Again, I just love their formulas. I think their packaging, again, is super cute. So actually, I'll leave that there if it'll stay. Y'all, these colors, oh my gosh. These are so gorgeous. And of course, there's quite a few shimmers, which I love. Looks like 4 shimmers, 4 mattes, which is great. And they are so pretty. Oh. Chances are, Kiss My Hass, 50/50, Big Banks, Mary Jane, Olive You, Act Natural, Mobama, and Charmed. And actually 2 of the shades that I thought were just regular mattes, this one here and then this one, actually do have a little bit, it's not picking up, maybe it is, yeah, a little bit. They do have a little bit of sparkle to them. So we really only have 3 true matte shades. 4 actual shimmers, and then these 2, this top, their bottom one here and this top one here, that are matte but a little sparkle in them. Y'all, is it not gorgeous? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So much. And take that off because this will be going into my little palette storage area. And then the final product that I got, again, another little palette, and I thought this was really pretty. This looked like a lot of fun spring and summer colors. This is their Mar palette, and this is the outer packaging, which is cute. It's one of my favorite colors. And again, oh, so pretty. So let me get that little piece so that this doesn't blind you. For some reason it was not in this one. But yes, y'all, are these not so pretty? And again, we've got, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers, 3 mattes. El Rey, Wild One, Detour, Boozy, Gridlock, Sorbet, Highway, Top Down, and My Way are the color names. Those are so gorgeous. I do want to swatch this one right here in the middle. This Gridlock is this one. It's a shimmery, it's not really navy. I don't know. Sapphire maybe. It looks really pretty. All right. Go ahead and peel the cover off of this mirror as well, because like I said, it'll get put up in just a few minutes. But again, this is the Gridlock shade, which is this, if I don't blind you guys, this one right here in the middle. I just think this is going to be beautiful. Yes. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. I love that. Y'all. Like, that is such a pretty shade. Are you kidding me right now? So yeah, that was my little, like a mini ColourPop haul. And I am super excited. You know, 2 palettes, a lipstick, Super Shock Shadow. And you guys, it was like $20 because the sale they were having. And then the additional 20% off. So they are so reasonably priced, especially when you can catch them on sale. And now I just have these beautiful swatches on my hand and glitter everywhere. So if you see some glitter or these swatches in a couple upcoming videos, you know that I just filmed this because I do have a couple more to film. So yeah, but let me know what you guys thought of the palettes, the lipstick, this Super Shock, super glittery, eyeshadow, and you know, again, what you just in general, I think I may have said this, but what you guys think of ColourPop. So I hope you all have a fabulous day. My mind is just going everywhere right now. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. I want to hear from you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.